这房子，看看我找房子整个这个经过 Airbnb。我再重复一遍啊，我特别喜欢一个人穷游中国那个视频，我觉得他把整个他的那个记录全记录起来，就像带着你跟他一起旅行一样，所以我喜欢那种风格，所以我现在也想这么拍，就像我是大家的一个朋友一样，见不着面的朋友。一边呢跟你们聊天，然后一边呢带着跟大家看着我看的街景。啊，应该是这儿。就是这儿。门在这儿。输入密码后，哦，它是这个密码，768。它一铲的就是，看大家，好，我输入了，摁是不是？摁上。哎呦，哎，怎么按不动啊？哎，它这怎么个玩法？输完了呀，开了吗？我先把这包放下。哎呦，它这个也很智能。1917试试，它这样写的是，它好几个密码。19，我看它整个这套流程是怎么弄的。1917，输完了没反应，确定是这个。啊？开了哦 ，OK，Thank you。哦，开了，我没推。Hello，嗨。这儿人特别热情啊。
Do you speak English?
Yes.
Spanish?
English.
English, okay. I don't speak English pretty well, but we can understand. My name is Isabel.
Do you can speak Chinese?
No, but I wish.
Okay.
This is your apartment. I'm come first.
This is you.
Yes.
Okay.
This is me.
Okay.
I want your
Okay. I
do this because
I take my baggage from
Your
here.
apartment.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I want you do this because if you need it.
Chinese. China. China.
Pretty good and exciting for me.
Time here. What are your time? You're in Colombia. What time?
Oh, I'm here just travel. Travel.
But you stay before when?
Oh, before Canada.
In Canada?
Yeah.
Wow.
4 years living in Canada.
Wow. It's pretty good. This is your. Okay. You can. Okay.
Oh, 密码锁。
6 and 8. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. This is for you.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
Open the principal door.
Oh. Okay.
That's and this one is for your door.
Okay.
Okay. Something happened. This is because maybe you need
There's
to open the
danger.
door if your keys maybe you lost.
Oh, okay,
your keys.
okay.
They'll close the door and the keys.
Oh, I understand.
Inside the apartment.
Okay, okay.
If you need.
Vivi, podemos cambiarle el código por si se llegara a perder, que se le olvide el código o algo, que sea el mismo del celular.
Okay, if you want it, I can put this code that you remember.
Yes, I take the
okay.
picture. I can take the picture. Oh, you send me. You send me.
If you want it, you tell me the number, and I put this, and is the number you can remember.
Okay.
So easy. If you want it, tell me the number.
Yeah.
What the number? Put. What number do you want it?
This number is okay.
See?
Yeah,
it's okay.
Okay.
It's fine for me.
Oh, what's up?
Okay, this is 5768. Okay.
Okay.
The same.
Okay.
If you need to close the door, you just put this and other number.
Okay, I understand.
This is your apartment. I want to change the. Okay, I don't know how you say in English, cortina. I want to put other more dark.
Oh, okay.
For the light. If you want it, I do in 1 second.
It doesn't matter, I think.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't
Okay.
matter.
This is for you. I hope you enjoy it.
Okay.
If you need something,
It's a good room.
just tell me.
Okay, good room.
Okay.
Good room. Oh, okay, I can cooking.
Yes. And this you have everything you need.
Good. Oh, you have cooler.
Yes.
Cooler. Oh, it's good.
Glasses and the. Sorry.
Oh, everybody
this is for the. You need to put this. For on. The kitchen. Okay.
Okay.
So.
Okay. All
right. Maybe something you need to tell me or ask me.
Okay. If I have a question, I ask you by Airbnb or yes, by Airbnb.
Okay.
I can call you. I can ask
Don't
you.
worry. And I do this one maps for the this place, but I don't know how I can send you.
You can send me.
Yes, but I don't know your your telephone number.
Phone number.
Yes.
I have my phone number. You can send me by Airbnb.
Okay,
it's okay.
That's right.
Yeah.
This is a house.
Okay.
And this you can put the garbage. Garbage.
Garbage. Yes.
And this one and this you can buy.
Oh yes,
food.
I understand.
Okay.
Supermarket.
Yes.
That's
right.
That's good place.
Okay, I put in the Airbnb and you. Okay, this one is for you. Go walk into the station.
Yes, station.
The metro station.
Yes.
And you can see. And I'm sorry, my English is not good.
Doesn't matter.
Okay.
Okay.
This is for you.
Your English is very good.
I hope
better than me.
And I hope you enjoy it.
Better than me. Okay.
See you later.
See you.
Okay.
See you. Thank you so much, my friend.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. 终于入住了。大家看一看这房子吧。100块钱左右吧。对面住一大叔啊，还是不错的啊，这环境。唯一不好就没有这有电视，什么都有倒是。OK。
Sorry, I forget to tell you. The third floor is the wash machine, and
wash clothes.
Yes, you can go to the use it. And it's a space you can stay and take the sun.
Yeah.
Okay, if you want it. So I'm sorry.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah. See you.
This is real.
Thank you. Have a resting， 就是可以休息一下嘛。这房子还是不错的啊，房子不错的，挺舒服的。它这是免费的还是收费的？不知道，算了。好，先到这儿，这个视频先到这儿。 麦德林，花园一样的城市啊。这好多朋友啊说让我解说一下啊。其实我呢是不想解说的，因为我想保持这种原汁原味的这种风格，就像我带着大家的眼睛旅行一样，我喜欢这种。那么我就再简单说一下啊，每个视频大概都说一下。就是麦德林呢是波哥大的第2大城市啊，麦德林。就是麦德林呢是这个波哥大是这个哥伦比亚的第2大城市啊。然后这个麦德林呢，它的这个人口哈，在2008年的时候大约是228万左右。它的麦德林呢，它也是这个相当于这个省吧，相当于一个省或区或者美国的州的一个中心啊。人口呢